2026 is the year everything changes. Not because life becomes easier, but because opportunities finally belong to the people who take action. Millions feel stuck in jobs they hate, trapped in routines that kill their potential, but a new group is rising, the freelancers. The people who decided that their income, their time, and their future belong to them, not to a company, not to a boss, not to a system built for yesterday. The truth is simple, the world has shifted, and most people didn't notice. Jobs are unstable, salaries are stuck, and competition is brutal. But businesses still need talent, they just want it in a new form. They want speed, skill, and flexibility. That's why freelancing is exploding. Freelancing is not a side hustle anymore, it's a main path to financial freedom, the fastest one available in 2026. Financial freedom comes from one thing only, controlling your income. In a job, someone else decides your value. In freelancing, you decide. You choose your rates, you choose your clients, you choose the projects you want, and you earn based on your impact, not your hours. That's why freelancing can change your life in months, not years. 2026 is the perfect year to begin. AI tools make your work faster. Remote clients are everywhere. Businesses actively prefer freelancers because they're cheaper, faster, and more effective. You don't need permission, a degree, or 10 years of experience. You need a skill, a portfolio, and consistency. The door is wide open. But the biggest mistake people make is choosing too many skills and mastering none. Choose one. Just one. Editing, design, AI services, writing, social media, voiceover, web design, whatever feels natural to you. Focus, learn it for 30 to 60 days, and you're ahead of 90% of beginners. Create a simple portfolio. 3 to 5 examples. That's it. Upload it on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and LinkedIn. Your first client won't make you rich, but they will give you momentum, and momentum is everything. Deliver better than expected. Be early, be sharp, be reliable. This is where the real growth begins. Then you scale. Raise your prices. Add a new service. Build long-term clients. Use AI to double your output. Turn one income stream into 3. This is how freelancing stops being work and becomes a system that pays you whether you're working today or not. This is how financial freedom starts, not with luck, not with magic, but with a plan you execute every day. But here's the truth no one likes to hear, freelancing won't reward you if you quit after a week. You're not an employee, you're a business. And businesses grow with consistency. You have to commit to showing up, even on the days you don't feel like it. If you stay consistent, you can change your entire income in months. Yes, months. Financial freedom isn't a myth. It's math. If you earn $50 per project, you can earn $500 a month. If you improve your skill, raise your rate to $150, and take 25 projects a month, you're earning nearly $4,000. Add long-term clients, scale with AI tools, expand your services, and you're earning more than most full-time jobs, while owning your time, your schedule, and your choices. This is the moment most people miss. They hear, start freelancing, and they think it's too hard. But what's harder? Staying stuck for years, or pushing yourself for a few months to build a life you actually want. You have 2 choices, stay where you are. Or build something bigger. 2026 is not just another year. It's the year that rewards people who choose themselves. The year where skill beats degrees. The year where independence beats job titles. The year where you either stay inside the system, or build your own. You can start small, but you don't have to stay small. This is your chance to earn your time back, your choices back, your life back. Freelancing is not about escaping work, it's about escaping limits. If you start now, stay focused, and refuse to quit, 2026 can be the year you finally reach financial freedom. Not someday. Not eventually. This year, because you decided to take control. This is your moment. Take it. But before you rush into freelancing, there's one more truth you need to understand, a truth that will decide whether you succeed or disappear like the thousands who quit too early. Freelancing doesn't reward the most talented. It rewards the most consistent. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most creative. You don't need to be the most experienced. You just need to be the one who doesn't stop. Because the moment you start freelancing, you're going to face resistance. People will doubt you. Your first proposal might get ignored. Your first client might pay less than you hoped. You might feel like you're not ready, not good enough, not fast enough. But that feeling, that doubt, that's the doorway to your transformation. Every successful freelancer you see today once sat exactly where you're sitting now, unsure, nervous, overwhelmed. But they kept going. And that's the separating line between those who dream of freedom and those who own it. You need to understand that your first goal isn't to become a top freelancer. Your first goal is much simpler. Show up every single day. Show up when you feel tired. Show up when you're not motivated. Show up when your ideas feel weak. Show up when nobody believes in you yet. Because momentum builds slowly. And then it hits all at once. 1 month you're struggling to get a client. And the next month you're turning down clients because your schedule is full. 1 month you're charging $20. And the next month you're charging $200 for the same work. 1 month you're doubting yourself. And the next month you're wondering why you didn't start sooner. This is the reality of freelancing. It's not a straight line, it's a curve. And the moment that curve takes off, your entire life shifts. Imagine waking up in the morning and opening your email to find new clients waiting. Imagine setting your own schedule. Imagine earning more in 1 week than you used to earn in a month. Imagine telling your family, I work for myself now. Imagine paying your bills without fear, without stress, without pressure. That's not fantasy. That's the result of small steps done consistently. And here's the most beautiful part. Freelancing doesn't just give you money. It gives you control. Control of your hours. Control of your energy. Control of your income. Control of your life. When you control your income, you control your future. When you control your future, you control your freedom. And in 2026, freedom is the new wealth. The world is moving fast. AI is reshaping everything. Companies are changing direction every month.